Okay, we have Counter-Strike 2. I have not played this. I downloaded it the other day. This is one of the few games that hates overlays, so I am so happy that the AMD overlay is working. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go to video, full screen window. Let's just go to full screen. Okay, there we go. We're gonna leave all that stuff as is, apply changes, and then advanced video. I want to leave this as is. I'm not going to change anything. Usually these are not hard games, you know, like regular CSGO. They were not hard to run. I'm just going to leave them. Go back to dashboard. Let's start the game. Just to go. And just so you could be able to see how the 7800 XT runs and what type of performance will we receive. There's definitely some stuttering involved. Oh my gosh. Where is the stuttering coming from? I mean, I did see, okay. I did see that a part of the driver update, and we may go ahead and install that after we get done. But it's definitely having some stutter issues. That is for sure. Oh my gosh. Don't last long in this game, but we're getting in the 300s. So obviously, I mean, if you play this game competitively, you wouldn't have any issue with the 7800 XT, especially because, I mean, it goes off of, if you have a monitor, you can max out. You know, most people don't have a 300 hertz monitor, so you could be able to max this game out, no problem. You know, 240 hertz. You wouldn't have it in. Why would y'all respawn me like right here? But yeah, you could definitely. Oh my gosh. I feel like my mouse doesn't move as fast. That's a little bit better. I definitely want to install these new graphics drivers though. See if stuttering in this game is crazy. You know, 6400 megahertz on our RAM 2 memory, 7800 X3D, with a 7800 XP. I would think that mine wouldn't be stuttering the way that we are, but it's crazy. Wow. Okay, I tell you what. So you see how the actual game runs. Let's go ahead and install the new driver. Exit to the main menu. Yes. Let's go to home. Install. Okay, let's okay, now that we did the driver update, let's go back into gameplay. One thing for sure, back here we getting like, I'm not noticing. I haven't noticed any hitching like we were receiving. Hey, right there. Ooh, got him.
Maybe if you say it a little bit more assertive, I might listen.
Ooh, got him. So just right off the bat, the driver update definitely makes this better. I'm not noticing any hitching like we were receiving the first time. So I would definitely say make sure that you update your drivers. Definitely make sure you update your drivers. I mean, we're getting 400 native.
You sound like you're 11, trying to act 17.
FPS, you know, depending on what's going on. 1% lows are doing pretty good. 7800 XT, y'all. 7800 XT. So far, if you ask me, you know, is this worth picking up? This is probably the best 1440p graphics card that you could be able to buy for the $500 range. This particular car was $560, and it's worth it. I haven't seen this car go above, you know, the 65, 66, you know, degree range. And, you know, I haven't seen this car use more than 300 watts. It's been around about, I think it's rated at like 288 watts TDP. And we at 261. So you definitely can't beat that. The only thing about this particular model that I have is a 3-slot card. So you definitely need to make sure that your case can fit it. You know, it's 320 millimeters long. So, you know, that's just something to think about. But the cooler is oversized for the car, but that's great because it's quiet and it doesn't take that much power to run. You know what I'm saying? So it's perfect, I believe. And again, you know, you playing high frame rate, you know, CS2, you know, you can use Fortnite, CS2, whatever, you know, whatever you're playing, you could be able to use it. You're not gonna have any issues. As long as you don't like messing around with ray tracing, this is a great card, especially for like the entry, not necessarily entry level build, but this is a mid-range card. So it allows you to be able to, play games that, you know, and then we're not even talking about 1080p. We ain't even got that far. 1080p, oh, you hitting it, you know? We're just talking about, hey, 1440p. If you playing at 1080p, I mean, hands down all day, perfect card. If you playing at 1080p, you're gonna get high refresh rate, pretty much everything. Yeah, 1440p, you know, even newer titles, you getting great frame rates.
Your voice sounds like.
So, yeah, this card is definitely worth picking up.
I'm gonna take your fucking head.
You don't talk about my friend Scooby like that.